Hello everybody, I'm Gizem teacher. Let's have a fun together. Today we are going to talk about numbers. Are you ready? Let's start.
Okay, now let's play the dice game, okay? Yes. 1 and 6. Yes. Okay. What number is it? Yes, 16. Very good. Okay. 2 and 3. Okay. What number is it? 32. Very good. 3 and 4. Yes. What number is it? Well done. 43. Yes, good. Okay. 6 and 3. Yes. Okay, look. What number is it? Yes, 63. Very good. Well done. Thank you. Okay, this activity about minus. Look at here. How many raindrops can you see? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 minus 3. Okay, let's cut 3 raindrops with the scissors, okay? Look, 9 minus 3. What is the result? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Good. Okay, look at here. 5 minus 2. How many raindrops can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 minus 2. Let's cut 2 raindrops with the scissors, okay? Yes, look. 5 minus 2. 1, 2. Yes, what is the result? Well done. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Yes. Okay. Okay, look. 4 minus 3. What is the result? Yes. 4 minus 3 equals, yes, 1. Very good. Okay, look. How many raindrops can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 minus 4. Let's cut 4 raindrops with the scissors, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Very good. Well done.
Well done. Thank you for watching me. You can do this activity with your family. See you next week. Bye bye.